Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making broccoli cheddar soup, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So here I have some salt, black pepper, butter, flour, chicken broth with low sodium, that's what I prefer, half and half, some paprika, my cheddar cheese, I'm using the mild, I have an onion, some garlic, some carrots, and some broccoli. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to come and do is I'm going to take my broccoli. I washed it and I dried it. And I'm just going to remove this part, okay? Let me do it this way so you can see. So I'm just going to remove it like this. See, so now it looks like this. Once it's like this, we're going to put this on the side. And we're just going to start breaking them up into little pieces. Okay? You don't want this part. Well, I don't use that in my recipe, but it's up to you. So now that you have it like this, what we're going to come and do is we're just going to make it into little pieces, because you don't want big chunks of broccoli. Okay, so I'm going to do that to all my broccoli. Okay guys, so this is the way you want it to be. Okay. Now that my broccoli is nice and chopped up, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm going to come with my carrot, and I'm going to chop it up in half because this is a big carrot, and all we need is a cup of shredded carrots. So I'm gonna come and I'm just gonna peel off the outside layer just like this. Okay, see how nice and orangey that looks? That's what you want. Okay guys, so now that my carrot is nice and peeled and nice and clean, I'm gonna come with my shredder and I'm just gonna shred it just like this. Okay, you want it to be nice and fine like that. I'll have all the ingredients and the amount that I'm using in my description below. Now that my carrots are nice and shredded, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to come with my garlic. I'm going to take my minced and I'm going to add one in there at a time, just like that. And I'm just going to press down on it really hard, okay? So it can come out like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that to the rest of my garlic. Okay guys, so that's the way you want it to look. Okay guys, so now I'm going to jump to the next step and cutting my onion. Okay, so we're going to need a half a cup of chopped onions. I'm just going to peel it on both sides. I know everybody has different ways of cutting their onion. This is my way. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it in half like this, right? And I'm gonna slice them, not all the way because you don't want it to break, just slice it like this. I want to say halfway, you see? So once you have it cut like that, then we're gonna slice it this way, so then you can have little pieces of onion. Okay, so we're going to do that to the rest of our onion. Okay guys, so now that my onions are nice and chopped, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is shred my cheese. This is the cheese brand that I'm using. You can use any that you prefer, okay? Okay guys, so what I'm going to do again with my shredder, I'm going to come with my block of cheese. This is an 8-ounce cheese. I'm going to use the whole thing, and we're just going to shred it, okay? Look how beautiful that comes out. Okay guys, now that my cheese is nice and shredded, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put my flames to a medium. And I'm going to add my butter, okay? And we're going to let this melt a little bit. Just like that. Okay guys, now that my butter is melted, I'm going to come and add my onions. And we're just going to let this simmer a little bit for like maybe 10 seconds. Okay guys, so now that that's been simmering, I'm going to come and add my garlic. And again, I will have the amount that I'm using and exactly what I'm using in my description below. Okay, so now we're just going to mix this together. Now I'm going to add my flour. Okay. And you want to make sure you blend everything well and the flour cooks well, because you don't want nothing to taste like flour. Okay, just keep moving it like this. And so everything looks nice and well blended out. And just let it simmer while stirring it just like this for like maybe another 10 seconds. Okay? Now we're gonna move it again. And now I'm gonna come with my chicken broth. Okay? And you wanna stir it. Just like this. If you have any clumps, just pat it down like this with your spatula or your whisk, however you prefer. And we're gonna let this simmer for like a minute, okay? Okay guys, so now that it's been simmering for a minute, I'm gonna come with my seasoning. So I'm gonna come and add my pepper. You see how it's starting to get a little thick? That's what you want. Okay, so I'm adding my pepper. I'm gonna add my salt. And I'm also gonna add my paprika. Okay. Now we're gonna bring down the flames to a low. And we're gonna let this simmer for like 10 seconds. Okay, now that it's been simmering, I'm gonna come and add my carrots. Okay. Mix it up. And I'm also gonna come and add my broccoli. Okay. Just like that. See? And you wanna mix it well. Just like this. And we're gonna let this simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? Okay guys, so this has been simmering for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna come with my half and half. Just like this. As I'm pouring it, I'm mixing it because I want everything to blend nice and well. Okay? Look at how good that looks already. The cheese is not even in it. Okay, so once you got that mixed well, we're gonna come and we're also gonna add our cheese. Okay, so be careful. Make sure you get all that cheese and just mix. Okay, you're gonna keep mixing this until you don't see the cheese anymore. Okay. Okay guys, so I just want to show you, I've been letting this simmer, constantly stirring it for 10 minutes. And look at this. You see that? This is ready to serve. Okay guys, so I just want to show you how good and creamy this is. Let me see. Look at this. Oh my goodness. If you guys try this, please let me know in the comments below. Tag me if you try it. Like always, I want to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, please let me know. I will have the amount and what I'm using in my description below. And have a blessed day.